We begin here at 6. Longer wait times for beds at St. Francis Hospital in Muskogee is now causing Muskogee police to protect and serve in a much different way. Our Vincent Hill is live outside of the hospital with how Muskogee police have a new partner riding with them. Vincent?
Yeah, Aaron, just like everything else, the coronavirus is having people change the way they do business, including Muskogee EMS and Muskogee police.
It's just basically a plan B.
A plan that has been months in the making.
Just in case we have a patient overload to where we can't get to the patient.
A patient overload and a bed shortage at St. Francis Hospital in Muskogee. Tricia German with Muskogee County EMS says it's time to put their plan into action, with their workload doubling since the start of the pandemic.
It's doubled since April of 2020. Went from like 39,000 minutes throughout the fleet to over 64,000 minutes.
And it's not just more work, it's less time to respond to other patients.
They are actually on standby out at the hospital for any kind of bed delay.
A bed shortage now means leaving a paramedic at a hospital.
What we'll do is we'll put that patient on one of our cots out at the ER, and one of our medics will sit there with the patient.
Hoping for a bed, but sometimes
we do have to transport patients to another state. Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri maybe.
Meaning that ambulance is out of service for hours. That's where Muskogee police come in.
We came up with an idea about helping them.
Muskogee Police Chief Johnny Teehee now opening his doors to assist.
We'll have the ability to put a medic in a police car, and we'll basically be their transport.
Chief Teehee says his goal is to lower response time.
We're substituting our police car and the usage of that to provide a medic to get on site if there's a medical emergency inside the city of Muskogee because a truck wouldn't be available. So it's just kind of a better way of response for EMS, and we're providing the transportation for them.
And in the midst of a pandemic, his officer's job is still to protect and serve.
Despite the fact that there's an issue with the pandemic, we're going to do what we can to keep our citizens safe. So if we need to help EMS or any other agency and provide whatever assistance, then we're going to be there for that.
Now, Chief Teehee says his officers and paramedics will be wearing masks inside those cars at all times, and other COVID safety protocols will be in place when answering those calls for service. For now, live in Muskogee, Vincent Hill, 2 Works for You.